this is oh my gosh, let me show you guys. This is ridiculous. So this is okay, makes sense, but this over here, every time I use the screw, like you need to know this, it's just, you see how it's like open it up, it's like making it worse. I don't know, and it's not secure because you could just pull it. Like literally you can pull it. All right, I'm gonna take a break. I'm trying to figure it out. Wish me luck. Guys, I did it. Oh, don't mind these right here. Don't mind this one. My sister, he's not helping. But this is the final look. Yeah, I like it. I mean, beside that, but yeah, that's how it looks like. I'm so happy. I mean, I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with these though. I think I could solve them, but let's not think about them now. But yeah, yay, I put the mirror after 100 million try. Ugh, it's a mess. Okay, so I'm gonna try with this one and that one. I do have, what is it? The thing to put inside of the wall to kind of make it okay. Then I could just paint it over. So technically I'm good. It's just the frustration is real. It's real. For one stupid mirror. Yeah. Started to get hard. See? Just put a little bit. Actually. Press it. I need the scissors. I'm just gonna cut the top. Guys, I know it looks a little crazy, but trust me, once I use the sandpaper and once I paint it, it just look all new. That's how it looks right now. So yeah. Okay, let me stop.